the main reason for doing this is because I want a Seafoam shirt. I know they got these like gray long sleeve shirts and Seafoam in red, and I hope Seafoam can see this and send me a damn shirt, man. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Just thought I'd make a little quick video today. We're gonna try to make one a week. We got really good response on the last video from Motorama. Kylie did an awesome job editing this bitch. Yeah, so if you haven't seen it, go watch it after this video. Watch this one first. Yeah, watch them all, fuck it. So today, just a normal work day. I got a little 89 B2200. Car's super clean and it's getting rehomed. It's one of the projects that I don't have time to do, and the car is super clean, so it's kind of a shame to chop it up and mess with it. We're gonna do a little mechanic in a can treatment, a little bit of Seafoam. Seafoam works awesome. If you guys haven't used it, go ahead and try it, man. So let's get to that. Oh, hang on. You guys see what's in there? You guys want to see what's in the trailer? We're just at Jamboree Jam Up. Jalopy Jamboree or Jalopy something. Anyways, Jalopy Jamboree or something like that out in Rockton. We're just at Jamboree Jam Up to the Jalopy Jam Up. Jalopy Jam Up was called, not Jamboree. I get it wrong all the time. Hot rod show, and right nearby, this guy, I guess he's got this metal shop or CNC shop or something, and he had a CNC plasma table that he was getting rid of. So I decided to pick that up. And then look at that right there. That's a big old girl. Got the whole thing in here. Anyway, that thing's awesome. It's gonna be another video. Today we're doing Seafoam. So all you really need for Seafoam is this stuff here. So yeah, all you need is 3 cans. This one here is like the spray. Yeah, I got this guy here. And then you need 2 like this. One of them goes in the oil, the other one in the gas tank, and this one will spray in the intake. So it's not really hard to do, man. Let's get her done. I can't do all the projects. We can't do all the projects. There's too many cars out here. I can only do so many, right? So yeah, this is the guy here. This is the one here. It's leaving. It's going to a new home. So yeah, first one goes in the gas tank. You need the keys for these ones, man. Hang on. I'll go get the damn key. All right, got the key. Read the can, they'll tell you how much fuel you need, and I just, whatever, like quarter tank and fucking dump the thing, and you can't put too much of this stuff in anyways. It's gonna clean your truck. Gas in the truck. I'm gonna put some gas in, maybe at least like half a tank, quarter tank, something like that. And then you dump the whole bottle in the fuel tank, and then we're gonna do the one under the hood, and then the one in the intake. Let me go get some gas, I'll be back. So I said put some in your gas tank, and it doesn't really matter how much, but maybe you should read the fucking instructions. I don't, but Kylie's gonna read them right now. There's like, I think it says on the can. It says on the can somewhere.
Add to gas or diesel fuel. Just pour Seafoam in your fuel tank to clean and lubricate your entire fuel system. It works through fuel injectors and carburetors to remove harmful residues and deposits from fuel passageways, intake valves, pistons, and chamber areas. Directions. For regular fuel system maintenance, add 10 milliliters per liter. When a greater clean concentration is needed, add 15 mils per liter. For injector cleaning machines, use 50-50 mixed with gas. Use 100% Seafoam for diesel injector cleaning machines.
Crazy.
Or when priming diesel fuel filters. For a 2-stroke premix, add 15 mil per liter.
Let's say she's really dirty. We're gonna do the 15 mil per liter thing. How many mils in that frickin' can? How many liters do I go put in?
473 milliliters.
So divided by 15. Let me do some fucking math. Put some gas in and dump that thing in. Just do like quarter tank or something. It can't harm anything.
31 and a half.
Like it's been stored in a garage for like 15 years. Probably because it's been stored in a garage for like 15 years.
Did I just record you putting your pin in?
Which,
You should change that.
I'm just gonna get the card. You're gonna have to pry the card out of my hands first. Okay, so right here. Some gas. All right, we're back. Okay, pop the hood. Okay, so same can, same stuff, and this one goes in your oil. I know it sounds crazy, but that's what they say. Put in your oil. You only put a little bit. I forget, like there's per liters. You can read the can. You can't put too much of this shit in. A little bit is really good. So a lot is a lot better. You just dump that crap in your oil. I'm gonna put like half the can because it's just a little 4-banger. A little bit more. Oh yeah. It's gonna clean out all the carbon. And keep the rest, man. You can probably pour that shit in your gas tank too. Look at that, no filter. So this is the can, that's the spray one. It's the only one that's different. This one you spray the intake. You run the car to like 1,000 RPM over idle, so probably like close to 2 grand. And just dump the whole can in. You spray the whole can out. You got this little straw if you got like hard to reach places, but mine is super easy. It's like this here. All right, lock her there. Okay, now go start the car and run it at 2,000, or not even, just like a little bit over. Okay, let it idle. Let's see what the idle's at. That's the idle. Give it a little bit of gas. Okay, right there. Okay. Okay, hang on. We'll use this straw. cat lost forever. Shut it off. Empty the whole freaking can in there. I think you let it sit for like 20 minutes. Alright, so you dump all that in there and then wait like 20 minutes, half hour, 15, 20, wait whatever you want. And then start the car and we'll see that. It's on to hot soak for like 20 minutes, and then you start the car and rev it up to like 3,000, hold it there, you'll see all the smoke come out of the exhaust. Once it's done smoking, it's fixed. And drive it around, it should be good. Oh yeah, drive around for the gas tank, drain all that seafoam out of the gas tank, it will fill back up. And then once you put like 300 kilometers maybe, dump that oil and change the oil. You'll see the oil will be super black, all the carbon will come out, and then you'll have a good seafoam clean vehicle. That's it, mechanic in a can.
Hose, should that be the radiator hose? Should that be through that little clip there? Yeah. Oh, the cap.
Thanks, Seafoam. Now send me my damn shirt. Yeah, fuck, it's a really good new car. Not stolen anymore. Holy crap. Stuff is great. Probably do that to every single car, yeah?
Yeah.
Like, I've cleaned carbs with Seafoam, but I've never done the whole, like, no, put one bottle in the gas tank, put one in the oil, run it through the intake. Like, I like use like carb cleaner. It works great. Like this hot soap did amazing. Dude, it's not stolen. Holy crap! It's like a goddamn race car now. I'm gonna put some miles on it and then run this gas tank.
What are the steps again once you run out the Seafoam gas?
Nothing, just drain the oil. Do an oil change, do like 300 kilometers. Like empty out your Seafoam tank and then, you know, change your oil. And then you should be good. And if it's not good, maybe I should just do it again. If it's not good, just run it again. Like it's acting like a normal car.